what is it that they know that other governments don't know? And then this is going to inform the people of what the benefit would be of these large-scale projects.
Blockchain's immutable. So you could go in and you could X out Mike, but you could see the fact that you existed previously because it's a chain of records.
Right. Impact, let's say, cleanup after the fog of war ends in Ukraine.
It needs to be ones and zeros. We can now then track in a software, the money came out of this account, right? So X amount out, $20 million came out of this account, and it's supposed to go to this construction company. So having a platform to where that construction company would have a wallet on there through smart contracts, it's programmed for me. As long as I hit my delivery. So in my statement
stop on that. Hit your deliverable. Explain to the people what that. So KPIs,
key performance indicators. Yeah,
please go ahead. Please.
So the contract would state that you are rebuilding an apartment building, right? Once you've built out the frame of the apartment building and you've hit this level of to use your word, efficacy of this, and so as you keep hitting your milestones, the money will dole out. So you know the money's there as the construction company. You might even get some of that up front, but you're not getting the rest until you hit your KPIs. What impact did that money have? What's the overall economic impact? Like, you can go and run models that says the $30,000 that we spent to train Mike as a welder, this $30,000 is gonna have a $3 million, $5 million, whatever effect over 10 years.
To give the people, our citizenry in the U.S., we're speaking from a U.S.-centric standpoint, but we have global intent of reducing meaningless suffering through emergent tech.
We're finally getting to a point where people are like, holy cow, this is an amazing tech. When you marry artificial intelligence in with an immutable ledger, a blockchain, you have a very powerful combo. And what do you need when you're spending money? You need trust.